Hi, my name is Liam Holleran, and for our project, I worked on the non-functional requirements. So basically, non-functional requirements are how well our software performs and the quality of our software. So some examples that includes is we want our software to be able to scale to as many users that are going to be using it, as well as keeping efficient load times. Secondly, we need to make sure that we comply with all laws and regulations that we would be in contact with. And a final example is that we would want our software to be compatible on as many operating systems as possible.
Hi, my name is Daniel Lee, and for our project, I worked on the user requirements. User requirements are what actions a user is able to perform with the software. For example, being able to register as either a vehicle owner or a job owner, being able to view the interface in whatever language you choose, and various other actions depending on which user type you belong to.
My name is Samantha Vega, and for my part of the project, I asked some of the interview questions and I also detailed the system requirements of our vehicular cloud system. The system requirements explain the function of the system as well as the constraints that a system will have. Some of the functions that the system will have include image processing, language translation, vehicle registration, and owner registration, along with many more.
Hi, my name is Matthew Melio, and for this portion of the project, I put together this lovely video that you are viewing right now. I also helped Luther complete the functional requirements list, and then I also came up with a few of the questions to ask you prior to putting this functional requirements document together.
Hi everyone, my name is Alexandra Kraus, and here is my group's take on the software requirement specification for vehicular cloud real-time systems. So for the introduction, the purpose and objective of this project is to create a functioning system where vehicular cloud computing can manage systems where it can analyze certain managements. The emerging technological advancements will make it easier to collect data and register pertinent information into the system. It will easily maintain and control the flow of data, but will also introduce more challenges. The overall goal of cloud computing is to allow users to benefit from new technologies without any extensive knowledge. So what this means in more simpler terms is that us as people we enjoy having new technology, and we can benefit that without having to learn so much on how to use it, and it just comes easily to us. But if you would like to know, you could. That's my part, and I'm passing it on to Daniel, who talks about the user requirements. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Luther Bell, and for the software requirement specifications, I did the functional requirements. And basically, the functional requirements describe what the system must do and must not do. And I wrote a bunch of things that the system must do. Like the system must be able to collect user data and register themselves and their vehicle to the cloud. The system must be able to translate different languages so users from all around the world can use it. The system must be able to detect estimated arrival and departure times of the vehicles. The system must be able to differentiate job users and vehicle owners so it doesn't get it mixed up. That's kind of big. The system will be able to detect when a job is completed, and the system must be able to keep track of and determine the time it took to complete a job. The system must also be able to visualize the real-time reports.